Hello, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast, tough, and accurate? And this video is for you. Okay, I'm usually go over with homework from last video. Alright, this is 第九句话。九 OK， 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9。第九句话 sentence we call 话。And each sentence I teach one 成语。成语 is 4 words combined together. Chinese people speak a lot 成语. Almost everybody speak 成语. Alright? Okay, this is 诗 is poetry. 七音情 is love, is emotional. 情 okay? 和我啊画 is painting. E is a connotation. This 成语 they want to express that beautiful, pleasant. This is our sentence, okay? 不要不要 is don't. 子己自己 is self. 心里心里 is heart. In the heart, okay, 里 is in, heart, 心 is heart, okay, here we say in the heart, okay, 是我说有 is have, Abraham, 为 is for, 我我们 is our, we or us, but we only use these two words. Instead, all of them, we don't change. Okay, it's simple. 的 is off. 子午祖宗我 is I. 告事务数告诉 is tell. 那一你莫恩们你们 is your. 是恩神 is God. 那恩能 is can. 次翁从 is from. 这些这些 is this. 石头石头. 之翁中 is in. 给 is give. Abraham 因心七星期 is race. 子孙is descendants. 来 is come. Okay? 不要自己心里说，有 Abraham 为我们的祖宗。我告诉你们，神能从这些石头中给 Abraham 兴起子孙来。We're going to learn our new lessons, alright? It's 10. Okay, this is, okay, before we remember 9, 9 is 9. This one is 10. How do we do 10? We can do like 10. Okay, this is 5, right? 5 and 5 will be 10. We can do this too. This is 10 too, okay? Or you can do this. 十句话 is called 十. We have one new 成语. 乌安万无一诗 okay? I give it 2 clues. If you watch my video before, you might know this is 一, okay? 一. Okay, this one is 万. 万 is 10,000, okay? There's 2 numbers, okay, alright? This is 一. This one is 10,000. You find out this word and this word, what those mean. You tell me next time. Alright, let's write our 成语, okay? 万无一失万无一失 Okay, we're gonna start our new sentence. Okay, 西安县自哀在佛屋府字斧子一以基因经已经 on 放，zi 在放在，shu 树，gen 根，zhang 上树根上，fan 凡，bu 不，jie 节，ge 果，z 字的，shu 树，jiu 就，kan 砍西呀下，lai 来砍下来，du 丢，zi 在丢在，he 火，li 里火里。现在斧子已经放在树根上，凡不结好果子的树就砍下来，丢在火里。Okay, let's read our Chinese. Okay, sentence. Okay, 现在现在斧子斧子已经放在树根上树根上凡不这要 little bit longer 结好果子果 Chinese is fun to write, right? 子果子 This is 子的树就砍下来砍下来丢在火里Okay. Homework is always good for you, right? Homework is 家庭作业 Okay. Download a translator. This will help you to learn Chinese faster. Translate each single word. If I'm on the line, you can check them together as phrases, okay? And make you learn even faster. Read and write 30遍30遍30遍 is very important. Especially now, the virus, you cannot go out or it's not safe to go out, whatever. However, this is a good chance to learn, All right, watch another Chinese TV series every day. This is very important too. I have this video, movie. This one is a very fun entertainment. It's maintained a lot 成语 a lot of 成语 You learn all this 成语 from me. You can hear from them. This one is called 还珠格格 Okay, 格格 means princess. Okay, how do you find this video? Okay, you can go on YouTube. You just put HZGG. You will find this video. Okay, this movie. All right. I hope you guys have fun with your homework. And if you like my video, give me thumbs up. And remember to subscribe my channel. You won't miss my new videos. Alright? 下星期五见。